Kuya Mark, maaari bang kumilos ang isa pong legislative body, halimbawa ang Senate at ang Congress o ang House of Representatives, nang walang quorum at pag-quorum ba plenary lang o sa committee hearings?
Ang tinatawag na quorum, kahit ano yan, committee man yan,
Consultative meeting o hearing?
kung consultative meeting, nakikinig lang, wala naman yan. Pero mga committee, kailangan majority. Majority of the entire membership.
May quorum dapat.
May quorum. Kasi nakalagay doon, all members, majority of all the members siya constitute a quorum. So therefore, paano kung walang quorum? Kung walang quorum, can they conduct business kahit walang quorum? Yes, pwede. But limited lang. Dalawang bagay lang kahit walang quorum, MJ, na pwede silang mag-conduct ng business kahit walang quorum. Una, to adjourn. Day-to-day adjournment, kasi walang quorum, so they will, yung mga yung konting members na naiwan, they will decide to adjourn the session kasi walang quorum. Or, they will compel yung mga absent to attend para makuha nilang quorum. So, dalawang bagay lang ang pwede lang desisyonan, limited lang pag hindi quorum. Number one, adjournment, i-adjourn nila ang session, or they will compel those who are absent to appear. So, yun lang ang limited na pwedeng pagdesisyonan pag ang isang legislative body walang quorum.